Hello everyone. Today we are going to unbox a package that I've received from Scotland. It has been sent by Rob Fallon and I believe it contains 2 bonsai trees. So stay tuned. Hey, it's me, Iqbal Khan. If you have not yet subscribed to mikbonsai, then click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to subscribe and receive notifications as I upload new videos. Hey, it's me. I'm back. And we are looking at a parcel I received earlier this morning. It's come all the way from Scotland and has been sent to me by Rob Fallon. Rob is a subscriber to my YouTube channel and a regular viewer and commenter. Rob also belongs to a number of my bonsai Facebook groups. And a few weeks back we were chatting and he said he was going to send me a couple of little bonsai trees. Took my address and I got a message from him yesterday that the trees were on their way and should arrive the following day, which they have. And we started opening it. We had a lot of trouble, and as we couldn't quite figure out which way we should be opening it, a lot of tape, extremely well packed, and then the penny dropped. Rob had mentioned the previous day that the trees were packed in 2 individual boxes and then the boxes had been put together. Once I remembered that, it was easier to separate the 2 boxes, and we are now about to get into the first of the 2 boxes. I am super excited. It's like my Christmas having come early this year. Thank you, Rob, for the gifts. And that is the first glimpse of the first tree. It's a little Trident Maple, incredibly well packed. There's padding at the bottom of the pot. The pot has then been shrink wrapped to prevent any bonsai soil spilling out, and it has been placed on the padding and secured with thick bonsai wire. And we will now try and get the tree out of its box, and I had a little bit of help, and there we are. We're looking at the first of the 2 trees, smashing little Trident Maple, and I look forward to it leafing out. It will go home and go on my benches this evening. And we now turn our attention to the second of the trees. Having figured out how to get into the box, the second one was relatively simpler. I had help from one of the girls and she is beavering away at the box with scissors, and it won't be long before the second tree is out, packed in exactly the same way. And this is a Sekka Hinoki Cypress tree, and it is a beautiful little tree and will be at home on my benches and fit right in with the other trees. And it's very, very nearly out. She's managed to separate the cardboards and it is now out. And we can now see the tree in full, and I think it's a very, very beautiful little tree. Again, this too will be repotted and a repotting video will follow shortly. This is the Sekka tree that Rob sent, and this is the Trident Maple. I am very grateful to you, Rob Fallon, for sending these trees to me. They will both be repotted and cared for. They're in good hands, I'm sure you know. And when we do the repot, I will make a video for you all to see. This is Iqbal Khan for mikbonsai in West London. Until the next time. And now for the afterthought. I was very naive sexually. My first girlfriend asked me to do missionary, and I buggered off to Africa for 6 months. You dig?